Hey y'all, I had a great conversation with a client today talking about the upcoming Xactimate crash course, and I mentioned we're going to do a live or sort of live estimate based on a Matterport scan. So part of this class is going to be using a Matterport scan in our Xactimate estimating. So if you don't know what that looks like, it looks like something like this, taking this structure here. As you can see, this is a Matterport scan of a house I did, and turning it into this, complete with measurements and everything else. This is an actual house in Houston, Texas. We're not going to use this house, but we're going to use something like it. So look at these. We can take these measurements off of our scan here and really develop really in-depth, just undisputable information that comes off of these things. And I'm see if I can do this real quick for you. Let's measure this counter. I'm going to get up on this table and we're going to measure this counter for you real quick. Boom, boom. There's my corner. There's my other corner. Boom. That is... Uh-oh, where's my measurements? Anyway, trying to record and do all this on top of it. Anyway, that's my measurement. That got translated. This whole thing got translated into this very nice, very detailed sketch, which is incredibly hard to argue with. This is not a Matterport class, but we are going to show you how to integrate Matterport with Xactimate seamlessly into your processes. So, hope you're all doing well. Get into that class. There's not a lot of spots left. We'll see you.